Hello, this student video is for you to learn how to access the Pearson MyLab and specifically the textbook. So off of the Pearson, go ahead and just put in your sign-in information. You should have already registered. And then find your course. It should, you should see one by Dr. Tracy Holt. Mine might be labeled something different than yours, but just find the course. And then you want to go to the Pearson eText. And this is where you're going to find the textbook, Nursing: A Concept-Based Approach to Learning. It is a 3-volume set, and you want to launch this. I find that the interface sometimes between Pearson and the computer, no matter whether you have great internet or not, seems to be a little slow in responding. So just let it do its thing. Click on Table of Contents. And then this is basically where you can access all of the different, volumes. So what you can do is right here, if you collapse this, you will be able to then hover right by the word approach, hover and then hold and bring this down so that you can see all of the different modules, and the second volume starts right here. You can expand and then find whatever else that you need, off of the second volume. And then also the third volume is just a little bit further down. Here is the third volume, and then here are the different chapter assignments that are that may have been assessed in the different courses. So just don't forget that, if you can't see that little bar, the small little bar that toggles this up and down, just be patient and just kind of hover over this area until it comes up. Good luck.